Hello, my name's Mark and I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to build a water feature. Let's make something wonderful. What we're going to do is we're going to put in a reservoir here and we're going to have a waterfall coming down from the top of the breeze blocks down into the reservoir. Stay tuned for the Any Pond showcase. So this is where it all begins. A simple hole made by digging and shaping the ground. I'll make a separate video for all my waterfall construction techniques, but what I want to do with this video is make it quick and simple, so I'm going to make it a standard, or like the size of a standard UK door. So this is where we actually shape and manipulate the water flow. You can make this any shape you want. It's very easy, it's very simple, and it's very quick. You can even create a waterfall for a fairy garden. I'm not saying that I've done it, but what I do in my spare time, it's up to me, right? You're going to see how this is going to make a statement all on its own, and I'm going to share all of the wonderful stuff along the way. When making water features, there's a number of ways to make them. This is the fastest way, and this is how me and you should be making them. It's quick, it's easy, no drying times and minimal mess. And also, there's no guesswork involved. So what makes my method so quick and easy. It's the use of waterfall foam. As the waterfall foam does all the hard work for us, it stops the water from hiding behind the rocks. Another great benefit of waterfall foam is you can wait 10 minutes and it's cured enough to actually let the water flow over it. So with concrete you have to leave it for 24 hours or overnight at least before you can switch the waterfall on, otherwise it will just wash away. So with the waterfall foam, leave it 10 minutes. If you don't like the direction of the water or what the water's doing, turn it off, refoam it, start again and start the process. As creative as you want. Take the guesswork out of building water features. Yes, you're going to have to move some rocks around, but I'm sure one of your social media friends will give you a hand. This size water feature with all of the extra landscaping will take you approximately a weekend, or a couple of weekends if you want to put your heart and soul into it. This project has been fantastic. It's the quickest and easiest way to build a water feature in your garden. If you've got any questions or if you've been inspired by my videos, just put it in the comment section below. It means the world, and that is coming straight from my heart. Thanks for watching. My name's Mark, we're Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.